Hi there, Cher Johnston here, and today's video we're going to do Take a Stitch Tuesday, week number 14, and what we're going to do is the herringbone stitch. Now on this fabric I have already done several different variations. I draw in 2 lines here. It's mainly for me so that I know where I'm going. Because I'm right-handed, I'm going to start at the left-hand side and go to the right, but the needle goes in at the right, comes up to the left. And we're going to go to the top line. We'll make that look like an X. So I'm going to go in right about here, come back out about 1/8 of an inch away. And then back down to the bottom line. Go in there and out there. This stitch, I like this stitch a lot because it's good in crazy quilting, and if you want to do like combination stitches like I do a lot of, it's good to have this stitch combined with other, with a lazy daisy or French knots or just straight stitches. It looks pretty cool. So what I've done on here, as you can see, let me just do one more. So what I did here is I did 3 lines with different colors, one on top of the other. First I did the pink, then the green, then the yellow. And then over here, I just did them sort of wonky, kind of up and down, and some of them are not all parallel lines, like this line goes this way, this one goes this way. You see? This one here, I drew sort of a Christmas tree shape, and I just did the herringbone stitch in the shape of Christmas tree. And I think I'm going to use that as a little snippet on something for Christmas. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!